Ranking Master is starting!
What's today's ranking?
Cute but super dangerous creatures.
Number 7 is sheep.
Sheep look very gentle and fluffy and cute, but when they ran with their hard heads, they can even dent a car.
Let's quietly say hello so we don't scare them. Number 6 is squirrel.
Squirrels have chubby cheeks and fluffy tails that are super charming, but their front teeth are strong enough to crack walnuts. If they bite your finger, it will hurt a lot.
Be very careful when feeding them. Number 5 is swan.
Swans swim gracefully and are white and very beautiful, but if you get hit by their big wings, they can break your bones. They get angry when you get close.
So let's only watch them from far away. Number 4 is raccoon.
Raccoons have baby faces and are cute, and they look clean because they always wash their hands, but they're actually very fierce and have sharp claws. They can also carry scary germs.
So if you find one, call an adult and run away. Number 3 is dolphin.
Dolphins are smart and friendly and charming, and they always look like they're smiling, but that's just their face shape. They have 100 teeth, super strength, and are very bold. Naughty dolphins will bite and scatter their poop.
If you meet them in the ocean, don't bother them. Number 2 is ermine.
Ermine turn pure white in winter and are palm-sized and lovely, but they're the ultimate hunters who can take down prey bigger than themselves. They never let their target escape.
Don't be fooled by their cute appearance. Number 1 is mother.
You're always kind. Beloved mother is the strongest and scariest creature in the world. If you tell a lie, she will definitely find out. She gets angry when you do bad things, but you know what? She loves you the most.
Let's follow our promises and rules properly.
Did you guess correctly?
See you at the next ranking.
Bye-bye. Let's learn English words and phrases with fun rankings.
What's today's ranking?
Cold but super bad smell creatures.
Number 7 is the rhinoceros. Wild heavy tank.
A rhinoceros's tail turns up a foul stench like a moldy manure pit. It spins its tail like a propeller, flinging dung in all directions.
Good children, never try this at home. Number 6 is the panther, ninja of the jungle.
A panther's paw prints leave behind a sharp, sour, vinegar-like sting that burns your nose with ammonia. You can hide your body, but you cannot hide your smell. It is the secret ninja art of scent marking. Meow meow.
Those little paw pad stamps are pretty cute. Number 5 is the orca, pirate king in black and white.
When orca blows from its blowhole, it smells like rotten fish and thick, slimy rubbish. What shoots out of its head is not seawater. It is one big, dynamic bird.
Good boys and girls, always remember your manners. Number 4 is the eagle, ruler of the sky.
An eagle's mouth smells like a stinky kitchen drain full of food waste. Eagles love to eat rotten raw meat, and their nests are covered in smelly scraps. They never clean up and they never brush their teeth.
Make sure you always tidy up and brush your teeth, okay? Number 3 is the gorilla, guardian of the forest.
A gorilla's armpits smell like onions and garlic in a super mega spicy blast. That powerful smell is the scent of bravery and fighting spirit.
What a handsome, muscly guy with his charm turned all the way up. Number 2 is the lion, the king of beasts.
Lion's mane has an animal-like scent, reminiscent of blood, sweat, and earth. It's a very wild and strong scent, fitting for the king of beasts.
It's hard to believe that smells so bad your body odor, the more attractive. Number 1 is Dad, the greatest warrior of love.
Dad's feet smell like natto mixed with dirty rags and sweat. That stinky smell is proof he worked hard all day to make you smile. He's the superhero protecting our family.
Be sure to tell him, thank you, Dad. I love you.
Did you guess correctly?
See you at the next ranking.
Bye-bye.
Ranking Master is starting.
Let's learn English words and phrases with fun rankings.
What's today's ranking?
Gross-looking but delicious food.
Number 7, sea urchin.
It looks like a prickly, needle-covered monster. DHA makes you a genius and vitamin E blocks the rust in your body.
Recommended dish, sea urchin gunkan sushi. Number 6, bitter melon.
It looks like a bitter, bumpy crocodile kaiju. Vitamin C and potassium power up your immune system.
Recommended dish, Goya shampoo stir fry. Number 5, century egg.
It looks like a gooey, black magic ball ghost. Iron and minerals carry oxygen to your whole body to make you strong and tireless.
Recommended dish, century egg with tofu. Number 4, wood ear mushroom.
It looks like a squishy, wrinkly ear devil. Vitamin D carries calcium to your bones to help you grow tall.
Recommended dish, tonkatsu ramen. Number 3, monkfish.
It looks like a big-mouthed, creepy alien. Collagen and vitamin A make your skin bouncy and your eyes sparkle.
Recommended dish, monkfish dobujiru stew. Number 2, escargot.
It looks like a slimy, wiggly snail parasite. Protein and vitamin B burn away your tiredness and give you super stamina.
Recommended dish, escargot roasted with herb butter. Number 1, natto.
It looks like a sticky spiderweb monster. Nattokinase and dietary fiber make your blood smooth and your tummy feel great.
Recommended dish, natto on rice, with a raw egg.
Don't be fooled by appearances. You'll lose out.
Have the courage to try foods you dislike.
Did you guess correctly?
See you at the next ranking.
Bye-bye.
Ranking Master is starting.
Let's learn English words and phrases with fun rankings.
What's today's ranking?
Stationary names. You may not know.
Number 8, stapler. Snap! Use it to hold your papers together. Do not play with it like a crocodile dentist game, or it will really hurt if it bites your finger.
Number 7, sticky tape. Use it to connect things or stick them on the wall. It looks like a snail, but it will not melt even if you put salt on it.
Number 6, highlighter. Use it to color the most important parts. It is very pretty, but please do not use it as nail polish.
Number 5, correction tape. use it to hide and fix the wrong letters? It is not a toy car, so do not race it or it will break right away.
Number 4, glue stick. Use it to stick paper or envelopes together. It is not lip balm, so do not put it on your lips or your mouth will get stuck.
Number 3, scissors. Snip, snip. Use them to cut paper or string. Just because they have to round holes. Do not use them as glasses because it is very dangerous.
Number 2, mechanical pencil. Use it when you want to write very thin letters. Do not use it as an awl to cook takoyaki.
Number 1, eraser. Use it to rub out and fix your mistakes. It is not a height chew, so do not eat it or your tummy will hurt.
Bonus, compass. Use it to draw a beautiful and perfect circle. It is not a pair of kitchen tongs, so do not try to pick up food with it because it will not work. It can be dangerous if used incorrectly.
Use with caution. See you at the next ranking. Bye-bye.
Starting.
Let's learn English words and phrases with fun rankings.
What's today's ranking?
School subjects by Future Vision.
Number 7, Japanese. You will learn how to use words well and understand how people feel. When you grow up, writer, announcer, journalist, and things like that.
Number 6, math. Arithmetic. You will learn to find the rules of numbers and how to think to find the right answers. When you grow up, architect, programmer, tax accountant, and things like that.
Number 5, social studies. You will learn how your town works, its history, and how we are connected to the world. When you grow up, police officer, diplomat, tour guide, and things like that.
Number 4, music. You will learn to express your feelings through sounds and how to bring everyone's hearts together. When you grow up, violinist, pop, idol, composer, and things like that.
Number 3, science. You will learn to investigate the wonders of nature and how to create new things. When you grow up, scientist, vet, astronaut, and things like that.
Number 2, arts and crafts. You will learn how to shape your ideas and think of new designs. When you grow up, painter, furniture maker, game creator, and things like that.
Number 1, PE. You will learn the joy of moving your body and how to challenge yourself. When you grow up, pro baseball player, firefighter, dance instructor, and things like that.
Bonus, home economics. You will learn how to make your life better through food, clothes, and your home. When you grow up, pastry chef, fashion designer, nursery teacher, and things like that.
Boys and girls, be ambitious.
A bright future is within you. See you at the next ranking.
Bye-bye.
Ranking Master is starting.
The 7 Mysteries of Elementary School.
Number 7, Walking Shinjiro Ninomiya.
Shinjiro Ninamiya always sits still in his seat during break time. But suddenly, he stood up and walked around during class. What happened? When the teacher asked, Shinjiro wiggled and said he needed to go pee.
Everyone, Let us go to the bathroom during break time. Number 6. The Curse of Kakuri-san.
After eating a full school lunch, everyone gets very sleepy in the 5th period. Everyone is kakuri, kakuri, nodding off their heads and cannot focus on studying.
It is very important to go to bed early and sleep well on days you have school. Number 5. Hearing piano sounds from an empty music room.
Raindrops are falling from the ceiling onto the piano keys and making sounds.
Many school buildings are getting old. If you find a door that is hard to close or a broken window, it is dangerous, so report it to your teacher right away. Number 4. Looking into the mirror on April 4th at 4 hours, 44 minutes, and 44 seconds.
A child woke up early, looked in the mirror, and saw a scary monster pig. But it was just Mommy standing behind with messy hair and no makeup because she just woke up.
Mommy wakes up early every day to make breakfast and wash clothes for the family. Let us say thank you to Mommy. Number 3. The moving skeleton in the science room.
Many people saw the skeleton moving in the science room, but they just mistook a very skinny 6th grade student getting ready for a science experiment for a skeleton.
Do not be a picky eater. Eat a lot and play a lot to grow big and strong, so you do not look like a skeleton. Number 2. The Mona Lisa in the art room, staring intently.
This is called the Mona Lisa effect. The great genius Leonardo da Vinci came up with a clever method like magic using the illusion of our eyes to paint it.
There are many unique and magical masterpieces, so let us look up trick art together. Number 1. Amigo in the restroom.
A very shy friend is hiding all alone in the very last restroom stall. Call out and say, "Let us play together," and bring her out.
If you bring her out, you will surely grow up to be a great leader, loved by everyone. The world is full of wonders.
All these wonders are the keys to open the door to your bright future.
See you at the next ranking. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, everyone. Are you ready? Let's see. Rank Master, la la la, run ranking. Rank Master, la la la, run ranking. Ranking is fun. Oh, what a surprise! Fun. Hearts jumping, eyes shining. Open your eyes. So many things to see. So many things to know. Compare them together and watch how we grow. Number 1 is special. It's true, it's clear. But it only happens because everyone is here. Thank you, friends, for being so bright. Together we shine like a soft little light. La la la, ran ranking. We want to know which one, what one. Let's go, let's go. Hand in hand, let's all take a stand. Everyone is number 1 in Happy Land. The very last one is a secret key, unlocking the door to a big mystery. It's a treasure, it's a start, it's a brand new day. The bottom is the line where we start to play. 1, 2, 3, step by step, climb the stairs with a hop and a pep. We all can be number 1, it's true. Ranking is a treasure map for me and you. Now, what is the ranking today? Are you ready? Ready? Go! Rank Master, la 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 la, ranking. Rank Master, la la la, ranking. Yeah!
Check it out.